presentation. CBO, congratulations. Best in theme presentation. Friendly. Our best eco-friendly is from the office of CDLO. Congratulations, CDLO, for winning Best Eco-Friendly. Congratulations once again. And our next icon. Again, we have the most creative icon. Who among our icons is the most creative icon? Congratulations. You are the most creative icon representing City Administrator's Office. CAD Office for winning Most Creative Icon. And now, the moment of truth, as we are about to announce our winners, starting off with second runner-up. Again, this is for the Christmas Icon competition. Our second runner-up goes to... Wala ba tayong drum roll dyan? Second runner-up, congratulations, CSWD! Our second runner-up for this year's Christmas Icon 2024 is from City Social and Welfare Development. Congratulations! And now, we are moving on to our first runner-up. Our first runner-up garnered a total of 33%. First runner-up goes to CMO, City Mayor's Office. Congratulations once again from the City Mayor's Office, Jory, our queen. Congratulations, Jory, representing City Mayor's Office. And now we are ready to announce the grand winner for this year's Christmas Icon 2024. Who do you think is the winner? Sino kaya ang ating winner this year? And we are excited to announce that our winner garnered an average score of 94%. That's 4% away from the City Mayor's Office. Congratulations! Our grand winner is CPDO! Wow, the Ariana Grande in the box. Congratulations, City Planning and Development Office. I will do a recap to our winners from the special awards. Best in Theme Presentation is CBO. Best Eco-Friendly, CPLO. Most Creative Icon is CAD. And our second runner-up, we have CSWD. First runner-up, CMO. And the grand winner is CPDO. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Atong palakpakan ang atong mga participants from the different offices of the local government unit. And of course, we'd like to thank, of course, ang atoang mga judges who played a very huge role in tonight's Christmas Icon 2023 na, and the chairman of the panel, Mr. Romir Liboon. Thank you so much to our judges, and daghang salamat also To our tabulation team, Iligan City Youth and Development Office, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you once again to our 18 Council, the Chairman of this year's Pascuan Festival, Ma'am Armin Aloro, the Vice Chair, Ms. Hannah Padilla, and of course, the Chief of Staff to the Mayor, Mr. Jules Bernie Padilla. Okay, one last photo. One last photo in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much once again. Before we